Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, my name is Babovin FX. Yes guys, trader, really I had a bad, a bad beginning of 2025. Yeah, so I did some of the common, mistake error. So it made me to lose some amount, to lose some money. So today I felt like I should come out and share with you, okay, the same mistake which I've made. You never know, maybe you watching this video, you're making the same mistake, okay, so that when I mention it out, okay, I would just request you, okay, to pick a book and pen, note down this mistake. You never know, maybe it's the same mistake you are making, so that we can learn together as a forex trader. Okay, yes guys, as you know, trading, it's not something really easy. Okay, it's not something easy. So most of the time you need to be, jotting down, okay, journaling down the mistake you're making, the error you're making, so that it can help you to improve on your psychology. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go straight to the board and I show you, and I list for you some of the 6 lessons you should be knowing right now. If you're doing the same mistake, we should, let me say, I myself should rectify on this before it is too late. Okay, so guys, yeah, if you know you're new to my YouTube channel, yeah, I kindly request you to smash on subscription button and also turn on the notification bell, so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And also when you're returning back to my YouTube channel, I really appreciate you. Yeah, make sure you watch this video until to the end. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, let's go. Yeah guys, by the way, this 2025 I deposited, I deposited around $400 on my MT5 account. So I use Xness broker. Okay, so when I deposited $400 into my account, so I was like trading this account. I wanted, to trade this account until my target was only to reach only 1000. Okay, but I failed. I failed. You know what, it's just because of the common mistake I was making. So things were not going well, so I didn't reach my goal. Okay, so today I had to come and mention all the mistakes so you can also learn from it. Okay, so guys, the mistake number one which I was making, okay, mistake number one was poor risk management. poor risk Poor risk management. Yes guys, poor risk management. How? For example, most of time, like when I'm trading, so I couldn't so these are the some of the big mistake. So I think it is common. Okay, it is common with everyone. Okay, however much you need to take note of this. Okay, so when I talk of poor risk management, I talk about like not knowing which amount are you willing, to risk per trade. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, so for example, let me say when you have like let me say when you have account of like 100k. Okay, 100k, how much are you willing, okay, to risk per trade? So I couldn't manage to, to maintain the discipline of risk management. So I ended up messing out, messing out. So everything was messed out. Okay, so point number two, premature entry. Most of time when I'm getting in, okay, when I'm getting in, I'm not like I couldn't wait. I couldn't, like, I was not patient enough, okay, to wait for the market to come to the trading zone, to the real zone, okay, to the valley, okay, to the valley. When I mean the valley, I mean like the valley area. Okay, that the most valley area, for example, in a demand zone, supply zone, most of time I'm chasing after the market. Okay, I'm chasing after the market. Okay, so these are the mistake, okay? These are the mistake which cost me so much. Okay, cost me so much. I ended up losing like 245 dollar out of 400, $400 which I deposited. Okay, Yeah, premature premature entry. Premature entry. Yes, guy. Uh, point number three. Closing. Yeah, closing the trade before it hit my TP. Sorry, before it hit my stop loss. Okay. Yes, guys, closing the trade, like most of time, I could close my trade due to the panic. Okay, guys, this is really very common. I don't know if you can control your emotion. Okay, just click. Let me just know in the comment section there how can you control your emotion when you're panicking into the trade. So most of time, I could close my trade. Okay, I could close my trade before it hit my stop loss. Okay, why could I there why was I doing that? Okay, most of time, like, I'm panicking, this trade I'm already in drawdown, and like I'm most of time I'm assuming, no, this trade I'm going to lose, let me close it before it hit. Guys, do not close your trade. Okay, I've learned this. Do not close your trade before it hit you stop loss. Maybe unless if you have entered the trade accidentally. Okay, accidentally, like maybe you didn't analyze the chart very well, you are not sure, that's why it's okay, you can close your trade before hitting you stop loss. Okay, so this is the these are the mistake, which rain off my psychology. It rained off my psychology. I was really lost. Okay, closing the trade, closing the trade, yeah, closing the trade before it hit stop loss. Yeah, what do I mean by stop loss? Stop loss, like when, like, let me show you here. Let me show you brief here. What do I mean by stop loss? Maybe you're a beginner there. You don't know what stop loss mean. Okay. Yes, guys. Stop loss. For example, this is what I mean by stop loss. Okay. This is what I mean by stop loss. You can see that when you enter here, you had enter here for a sale. Okay. Then this is your stop loss. Stop loss mean that when the market goes against you, it means the broker should automatically close off your trade. This is what we mean by stop loss. Okay, I hope you have got it. Yeah, let's go back. Yes. So point point number four. Point number four. This is really, it has affected me so much. It has affected me so much. I don't know how I will overcome this. Okay, I don't know how I'll overcome this. Putting stop loss too tight. Okay, guys, this is the common mistake. Okay, traders, look. You see, most of time they do say that no, this top trader, they say stop loss, put your stop loss. Leave a space for the market to breathe. Most of time, you should not be mean. Okay, you should not be mean. Okay, most of time I used to put my stop loss just too tight. Okay, and do you know what? Most of the time when I put like that too tight, the markets will calm down and hit my stop loss and goes on my favor. Okay, what do I mean by putting stop loss too tight? Let me show you put what I mean. Let me show you that what I mean by putting stop loss too much tight. Okay. So guys, you can see here, like for example, you put your stop loss. Let me say you enter here, sell here. Now let me show you here. For example, you enter a cell here. You enter a cell here. Then you put your stop loss just too much tight here. This is what I mean by putting stop loss tight. you enter a sell here exactly. Okay, you can see you enter a sell here. Okay, entering a sell exactly at this point, you enter your sell here. Okay, and you put your stop loss just too much tight, so you can see that the market might likely to take you out then before going on your way. Okay, the good thing to put your stop loss is to adjust your stop loss below the swing. You can see below the swing high. Okay, this is the perfect stop loss you can put. Okay, you can see that the market is retracing. You can see from this retracement, okay, the market is retracing back. It might likely you're going to reach this zone, then it will turn back to this downside. This is what I mean by putting stop loss, for leaving space for the market to breathe. Okay, those are the big mistake which cost me so much. Okay, so let's go to, yeah, putting stop loss too tight, putting stop stop loss too tight, putting stop loss too tight. That's what cost me, the most in the market. uh let's go to point number 5. Point number 5, I think this one, I don't know, because let me say, trading in, let me say, trading in environment whereby you staying together with people who are not trading. Okay, like for example, I'm living in Dubai. Okay, I'm living in Dubai, but in a bed space. Okay, I'm a hustler. Okay, I'm a hustler living in a bed space. So I have my roommates. Okay, we are sleeping together in one room. As you know, people who have ever been in Dubai, hustle in Dubai, they know what it is. Okay, I won't lie to you. Let me be open. Okay, we sleep in a bed space. It depends on, okay, like, the kind of job we are doing. As an African, guy. So I'm hustling in Dubai. So focusing also on forex trading. So I want to also to elevate myself. Okay, to become like the like of those of, the pro trader in Africa, the like of those of V-Dollar, the like of Kojo Forex, the like of Benjamin, Dapo Willis. So these are the people, the one inspiring us in the market. Okay, that you can also make it. You can make it. Why not? If they are also that, if they made it, why not us to put in work? Okay, yeah. So most of the time I always get pressure from my roommates. Okay, this is real, guys. I'm always get pressure from my roommate. So when they see opening chart, you trading, they'll start talking, let's say backbiting about you, telling, no, guys, are you really gonna make money from this thing you're doing? Okay, you just gonna, they start intimidating you, you're gonna lose everything, stop this. So guys, those are the things which always rain my psychology. Oof, I don't know how I'll overcome this, but I already have noticed down. I need to get, if I'm trading, I'll be getting quiet environment so that I have no distraction, right? Yeah, pressure from friend, pressure from my room, from roommate, roommate. Yes, guys, pressure from roommate. Yes, guys. Point number 6. Okay, yeah, before I conclude to the point number 6, yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified, guys. And also, you're turning back to my channel. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for staying together. Please make sure you watch this video until to the end. Yeah, guys, this point number 6, it is crucial. Okay, point number 6, it is crucial. Take it really, really serious. Okay, taking take it really serious. If you're watching this video, okay, right now, straight away, just comment in the comment section there, where tell me where you're watching from. Yes, guys, point number 6, this is really one of the most sing let me say one of the crucial point and one of the most common mistake. I don't know how I'll overcome this, but I think to overcome this I need just to get used. Okay, I need just to get used and I get myself to relax. Point number 6, let me say doing analysis. Okay, let me say analyzing the market when you are exhausted, guys. This is really too bad, too bad. You know what, like for example, I'm living in Dubai. I'm a hustler, hustling, 9 to 5 job. So when I come back from work, when I come back from work, I do like I will rush to the my laptop, rush to my laptop, analyzing the charts. When you have that stress from work, most of time I end up, getting into trade when it's premature, like getting into the trade in an area which is not valid. Okay, in an area which is not value. So it is costing me so much. So guys, not this. If you facing the same challenge, let me know in the comment section like me here. Yeah, analyzing analyzing the analyzing the chart when too exhausted, when too exhausted when too exhausted, analyzing the chart when too exhausted, guys. So these are the six. Okay, these are the six common mistake I've made. Okay, let me say these are the worst common mistake I've made. I'll never do it again. These are the six lessons, guys. Note this down. If you begin and you're watching this video, do not stop trading. Keep going. Okay, keep going, keep going. Let's us keep grinding. Whatever you're watching from, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I'm signing out. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.